If you need to cancel a pending transaction with Chase Bank, follow these steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Chase Bank account by visiting the official website or using the mobile app. Enter your username and password to log in securely. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once logged in, locate the Transactions or Activity section in your account dashboard. This area displays all your recent transactions, including pending ones. Step 3. Identify the pending transaction. Scroll through your list of transactions to find the pending transaction you wish to cancel. Make sure to check the date and amount to confirm you have selected the correct one. Step 4. Select the transaction. Click on the pending transaction to view more details. Look for options related to the transaction, such as cancel or dispute. Note that not all transactions may have a cancellation option. Step 5. Follow the prompts. If a cancellation option is available, follow the prompts provided by Chase to complete the cancellation process. If there is no option to cancel, you may need to contact customer service for further assistance. Once you have completed these steps, monitor your account to ensure the transaction is cancelled. If you encounter any issues, reaching out to Chase Bank's customer service can provide additional support.